to the Stamp Market Studio. Today I'm sharing with you our exciting new product. These are our new ink cube trays. And the reason I love these so much is they're slim, they're compact, and they're stackable and modular to work in your space. You can order what you need. The trays hold 16 ink cubes, and I would say most brands are going to work in this if it's a standard ink cube, and I'll have the dimensions on the website as well. And they each hold 16 ink cubes. They're super easy to get the ink cubes in and out, which is what I love so. The overall measurements are 8.5 by 7.5 by 1 inch deep. Now you can get the exact measurements on the website so that you can make sure that they work for your space. These are plastic with an acrylic insert, customized to fit standard ink cubes perfectly. There's enough space to get these in and out, making crafting really easy. I also love the feature that I could just gather my favorite top 16 colors, keep them on my desk in my area at all times, just so I have a quick access to the colors that I use most often. These are also really great for stacking. They're very modular. So they have these little notches in the corners that keep them in place. So they're not going to slip and slide around. So you can stack them as deep as you want. You could go 5, 6, you could make a really tall tower of these and it's not going to go anywhere. So that's a really great feature. Also the size, because they're smaller, they're very modular. So you could do 3 of these fit in an IKEA drawer across. And what makes it nice is you can just pull out a tray with the colors that you need rather than gathering so many. We are also offering an acrylic lid that you can simply add to the top of your tray. Now I would recommend this if you're stacking these in your craft space. That way you can avoid sun damage, dust, or other things falling into your ink trays. This also creates another stackable surface. Like if you want this to just be in the corner of your desk and put a cute little plant, it just makes it customizable for you. It also protects your ink cubes if you're traveling to a friend's house and you're crafting and you don't want to scratch those lids. This is a great way to protect them. Just a little additional feature you can purchase. If you love collecting ink cubes like we do, you'll love these for your space. Modular, sleek, and stackable. We hope that you'll buy these, love them, and thank us later. These are available today for pre-order in the shop. Let us know if you have any questions below.